Guys, in today's video I do have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and I'm going to tell you what to do if you do have your mobile data not working in this device. The first thing that I recommend doing is to go to settings. Here, now, go to the connections and tap here SIM manager. Make sure that here SIM card is enabled. If it is, go back and tap mobile networks. Make sure that here you do have it available. If it is available, that's nice. But if it isn't, you need to tap access point names. Now here make sure that this is everything like these things that are here have to be compatible with what the carrier tells you. Like it should be automatically here, so if it doesn't, you need to here tap this 3 dots and reset to default. Tap reset, and now everything should be fine. Apart from that, ensure that the SIM card is properly centered. If it isn't, go back and go back. If it isn't, here in the SIM manager you won't see your SIM card. If you don't see here the SIM card, you need to take it out of this place, take it out of the SIM card tray and place it back again. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to scroll down to the control panel over here and enlarge it and tap flight mode or airplane mode as someone calls it. Once done, disable it. If you don't see this icon here, tap this pen icon, edit. Here you need to, as you can see, in this expandable area, delete some icons, or here, as you can see, add a control flight mode over here in the connections. And if it still doesn't work, you need to restart your phone. To do so, hold the power and volume down, click restart and restart. Now everything should be working properly. If it still isn't, you need to contact the carrier to verify the data plan that they gave you, because something might be just wrong and you need a new plan or everything fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.